Music to your ears. Want excellent sound performance from your smartphone? The stereo dual speakers of Mi 10 Pro truly deliver. Learn what it takes to become DxO Mark #1 for audio. First, compared to the average smartphone, the speakers of Mi 10 Pro have a completely symmetrical design. This helps produce a better stereo sound experience. Second, most smartphone speakers usually have less than 5 magnets. Mi 10 Pro has 7. By significantly reducing the gap, we've also managed to create a stronger magnetic field. All of this helps amplify the sound. Third, we optimize Mi 10 Pro for different uses, making fine adjustments for when you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games.
The Mi Note 10 has a 108 megapixel.
Want an amazing stereo experience in the palm of your hand? Get the Mi 10 Pro.